Hello YouTubers, how are you doing today? Well, this Captain Ward, he's got a new fixture here he wants to show you. Yeah, so let's say that I wanted to weld this piece of solid bar here. Let's just click it onto the magnets. So I wanted to weld to this piece here. Now I know I have a perfect 90 degree going across here, and then a perfect 90 degree here, and I can just go ahead and weld that. And of course this also has magnets on the bottom, so it'll stick to the table as well as the part. And I can change that angle if I so desire by moving this tightening handle. And so this is my adjustable magnetic welding fixture that I made. These bars here are made out of aluminum. This is made out of steel. I used aluminum because I didn't want to take away the magnetic power of these magnets into this side, only to the outside, which works quite well, as you can see. You know, it's not super strong, but it's certainly strong enough to hold it up while I'm tack welding it and so forth and so on. I also put a hole in here in case I wanted to put a bolt through there and bolt it through the table in the event that it's something I need to do stronger. So that makes it a little bit nicer. These magnets here, I went ahead and I drilled out a hole underneath these magnets here, and then I put epoxy in the holes. Then I took the magnets and stuck them in there. Then I got a piece of paper and I put that across it, and then I went ahead and just stuck it down on the paper to the table. And after the epoxy dried, I took it off and I scraped all the paper off. And so now they're flush, perfectly flush. Here you can see that this will do different angles. This is just one angle that it'll do.